Schizophrenic adolescents slouch like the crescent moon, searching for the break of day. No words, just conniving grin, chin full of goat throat, keeping an apple afloat, striving for global silence. No more violent treatment of earlobes as punching bags from these ill-minded mags. Toe tags given out daily. Eardrums catch beatdowns when AJ sounds offside of melee.
I rhyme, hell-skin mind, who stay silent and wait for the Lord to drop the science of my gourd as a client. Of patience is the virtue, it might hurt you in the flesh, but it will nourish your spirit and then you'll flourish fresh.